In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or show top bar and tab bar in Zen Browser. Now, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is you want to go inside your settings, so top left, those three dots, click on the settings, and then in here you want to go inside look and feel. So if you want the sidebar, which is the tab bar over here, and then the top bar as well, the top toolbar, you want to click on sidebar and top toolbar, and both are now going to be showing no matter where you are, just like that. However, if you want them to disappear, you could go to settings again, and you can do only sidebar, which will basically allow you to only see the sidebar and only see the top bar whenever you basically hover over it like this. Or you could also hide this left hand bar over here by right clicking and clicking enable compact mode, and that way this is the ultimate mode where basically you've successfully hidden the top bar and the tab bar together. Okay, so those are the settings you can play through, and then if I go here, hover on the left, it's going to pop up this sidebar tab bar, or if I pop on the top, it's going to pop up this top bar. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.